Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Squarespace template. Unfortunately, Squarespace does not allow you an option where you can completely change it, but what we can do is just head over to design and then site styles, and then you can change the font to maybe whatever you want, and you could just search for the font and everything, and then you can just also go to colors and go to edit palette, and then just whatever you want your color theme to be, maybe light blue, and then this one to maybe a bit of purple lavender, or there's a bunch of palettes that you can choose from. This is basically one way of doing it. What you also can do is just go to this edit option over here that comes up. So this edit option here, click on it, and then you can add a section, and basically there's a bunch of stuff like people or contact, like these mini stuffs over here that you can do, or you can also edit section from here and just go to color and then theme editor, and basically you can choose whatever you want, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.